There's a wee house in the glen where there dwelt an Irish colleen who charmed all the hearts of man. She was winsome, hale and hearty, fair and graceful as the dawn. Neighbors loved the widow's daughter, happy, laughing, Noreen born. And one day arrived a letter with her passage paid to go to the land where the Missouri and the Mississippi flow. Then she said goodbye to heaven. Next morning at the dawn stood a broken-hearted mother, bid farewell to Noreen born. Many years that mother waited, till one evening at her door stood a gorgeous looking lady, awful grand the clothes she wore, whispering, "Mother, don't you know me? Now I've only got a cold, yet there's purple spots upon her cheek, the tragic story told. There's a churchyard empty where the blossoms sadly wave. There's a broken-hearted mother weeping o'er the lonely grave. Oh, Noreen, she is calling. Sure, I'm lost